क्या नाम है? शक्ति अंडरग्राउंड थी, देखेंगे।
Sometimes I hate being a woman.
Suppose I were a man, what has taken me years, I would have done in lesser years.
As a woman, before her craft begins, her day has already been filled with caring for others. She cooks, cleans, raises her children, and carries the weight of the family, often with little time, little rest, and barely any recognition. Many of these women have a vast majority of opportunities, while many of them suffer and have little wealth. Yet, as they settle and their hands finally turn to the crafts, they create more than just beauty. Every woman in this film has chosen to follow something she's passionate about. For some, that meant leaving behind expectations that had been placed on them for many years. For others, it meant taking financial risk, facing criticism, or choosing a path that wasn't always accepted by their families. Even with those challenges, they kept going. Their stories remind us that passion often requires courage, and that pursuing your dreams is rarely easy.
My name is Garima Chaudhary. I am a ceramic designer. When I was in school, from that time I was like saying everybody that I want to be like an entrepreneur. It's been like 10 years. I was like studying crafts and then I was teaching crafts. I was doing for people like to make them understand like I can do this. So I fought a lot, like I want to like show them that I can do something in my life.
My name is Alka Sharma. I'm a craft enthusiast. We do mud resist block printing. Like we started with indigo because it was a native craft. Then we ventured into other natural dyes like turmeric, Indian madder, Brazilian wood. I started this when I was in my 20s. Being a leader, no matter how I'm feeling, I have to keep my emotional aside. Like no matter what is running in my own family, in my own life, I have to be there.
My name is Chanchal and I'm working with mostly textiles and fashion. My family is Rajput family. They saying ki Rajput not doing this kind of thing. I got admission in Delhi Fine Art College. So my father not send it to me Delhi because Delhi is like a very not safe for women. I'm fighting a lot with my study. So I'm like a rebellious about this thing.
I'm Raksha Jain. I'm practicing handmade ceramics. Every time when you open a kiln, the surreal feeling which it gives you, which keeps you more motivated and just keep on going. Okay, you have to do more, you have to practice more.
मेरा नाम शहनाज बानो है। मैं लाख की कला के अंदर माहिर हूँ। मैंने अपने मम्मी पापा बड़े भाई से सीखी है। मुझे 46 ईयर्स हो गए इस काम को करते हैं। मेरे पापा शुरू से यही बात कहते कि तुमने अगर भट्टी छोड़ी ना तो काम तुम्हें छोड़ देगा, तो इसलिए उसको काम को करते रहो। तो मैं यहाँ दिन भर बैठी रहती हूँ, काम करती रहती हूँ, कुछ ना कुछ डिज़ाइन अपने दिमाग से निकालती रहती हूँ। पत्थर होता है ना बड़ा, उसको काटते फिर इसके बाद ऐसे चिड़ी तो इसे ठोक के बनाते हैं। खानदानी काम है हमारा। ये काम देखो औरतें भी करती हैं, आदमी भी करते हैं। मैंने मेरे पति से सीखा ये काम।
Like many women, the artisans in this film wear many hats. They're artists, business owners, mothers, daughters, wives, and caregivers. Every day, they're balancing their work with the responsibilities they have to their families and communities. In their own words, they will share what that balance looks like, the sacrifices they have made, and the ways they found to keep moving forward.
हर लेडीज़ को इतनी हिम्मत नहीं है कि वो इतना कुछ कर ले। मैनेज करती हूँ, सुबह उठती हूँ जल्दी, उठ करके घर का काम निपटाना, कुछ करके बीच में अगर कोई कस्टमर आ जाता है, फ़ोन करते हैं पहले आ जाओ, तो मैं सब छोड़ के यहाँ आ जाती हूँ।
I got married into a political background, so everything, it was a well-to-do family. So the attitude was, why do you need to do this? Like, you have everything. Why do you want to roam around in this heat and this dust and mud and like in the villages? Like, what is the purpose of it? What you will get? Like, being a entrepreneur, a leader at Avran, and being a mother, wife, daughter-in-law there, and then there was a question mark. Why am I doing this? So I was just thinking, men don't have to face all this. I don't know, the whole society is very patriarchal, so people, they take them more seriously, and they don't have to worry about safety.
It's not that gender neutral because there are so many artisans and they are easy to go and work as well, but they have their own routine or something, like, and they have certain idea of working under. Still, for them it feels like working under a woman is something. Typically the pottery was more of the male oriented, like women were always sitting down and working on the surface techniques and the other spaces, but the major making process was always the male oriented. They, like, women were not even allowed. It's just very small amount of females which they have started working on the potter's wheel very recently, I would say like around 5 years back. And of course there is nothing like that, woman doesn't have that much of strength of creating a pot. It's not a rocket science or it's not a big deal. It's just how you're seeing how the practice is going on since like generation.
चक्के में इतना बड़ा पत्थर होता है वो तो मेरे से थोड़ी होगा, वो जेंट्स ही करते हैं।
Most of the crafts are in villages. Traveling there, it's a challenge for us, like to go there and do research or be there. When I'm like with my family, I have restriction to like come at time. Like when I was researching, I stayed at a craft person's place. I didn't tell my parent about what I'm doing in the field or like how I'm doing things.
Male businessman, I found them very privileged.
I thought maybe I'll do my job and then I'll like save some money, then I can start my own business. But that is not it. You need a lot of money to like start, like build from scratch.
नहीं तो लाखों में काम चालू होता है, वो ये 5,000 में भी चालू हो जाता है काम। तो वो गरीब लोग इसको कर सकते हैं, जो नहीं पढ़े वो इसी काम को करें।
I have seen like a lot of women like working alongside and they are helping their families, like not like they are just not doing the household work but they are into the business part of it.
घर चलाना पड़ता है तो करना पड़ता है। देखो, एक पहिए से गाड़ी नहीं चलती है तो पहिया दूसरा भी चलाना पड़ता है।
And I have worked with female artisans in like Blue Pottery Cluster. For the whole day they used to work at their house. They used to make food and all that. For the extra money for their household things, they used to come and like do the painting and all that things.
परेशानी है, मज़ा कुछ नहीं है। इसमें सिर्फ बड़े दुकानदार ही थोड़ा कमा पाते हैं। हम लोग तो रोज़ कुआ खोदते हैं, रोज़ खाते हैं। पूरा काम आता है, ये नहीं भी होते हैं तो मैं अकेला संभाल लेती हूँ।
Mostly working with all the women organizations. So we train them so they can make their own thing, open separate account. They have like own money, whatever they want to buy. Because of this program, one of artisan, I teach her like a advanced basic embroidery or stitching, and now she teach her daughter. She take a loan and she send her daughter to design college to study. So it's like a very big impact.
So there are few NGOs and few organizations that they do projects but they don't continue that project for very long. They just like for the namesake they do projects for a month say, and they do that and after that there is nothing. So that doesn't create trust. Usually in whatever like the projects that I do, I try to like guide the artisans or the women artisans how to like do the photography, share their ideas across me.
Like if you see at Avran, if you see a lot of women every woman has a story, you know, like every woman is independent, financially independent. And it's not, you know, like I'm doing out of charity, or it's nothing like that. It's everything is like I need them, they need me. We are one happy family.
Later, these questions are not going to be asked after 5 years, like what the challenges being a woman and being a male doing it, and it will be little more normalized as woman is doing the business or a craft practicing, because now there are so many crafts where it's completely woman oriented.
With the changing scenario, we should adapt. It's just, you know, Charles Darwin theory, survival of the fittest.
Each woman in this film is a skilled artisan who has built her own future with talent, determination, and hard work. They have overcome challenges, created opportunities, and shaped their own success. But their stories also leave us with an important question. If these women have achieved so much despite the obstacles, what more can we do as families, communities, and a society to support female artisans in India? Because when women are given the opportunity to thrive, their success strengthens not only their own lives, but the communities around them.